So yan, si Nanay Beth, tanongin natin siya ng mga question about Bible quiz. First question, nakabahan ka ba, Nay?
Parang. Ano ba yan?
So yan, si Nanay Beth, isa sa mga attendee natin sa church, isa sa mga volunteer ng prayer team. Yan, so first question. What is the first book of the Bible? Genesis, tama. In the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning. Yan. Second question. Who was the tax collector that became a disciple? Matthew? Tama! 2 points para kay Nanay Beth. Third question. Who built the ark to survive the flood?
Talagay ko kilala. Si Noah.
Si Noah. 3 points para kay Nanay Beth. Grabe guys, kabisado niya yung Bible. Talagang, eto, medyo mahirap to. Who was the weeping prophet? Jeremiah. Galing talaga ni Nanay. 4 points. Next is...
Sa'yo na.
Lastly, pili tayo medyo mahirap-hirap. Eto, who defeated Goliath?
Mukhang hirap naman ang ako. It's David.
David, yun. Thank you. Yun lang na yun. Thank you, Nay. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos.